590 registered delegates from the Jamaican diaspora, exhibitors, media personnel, investors, conference staff, volunteers, and others.
There are more than 1,600 persons who participate in one way, shape, or form.
4 days of discussions on wide-ranging topics affecting Jamaica.
This is economic diplomacy in action.
It was the 5th biennial Jamaica Diaspora Conference 2013 from June 16 to 19 at the Montego Bay Convention Center.
Welcome home.
A nation on a mission, Jamaica Diaspora Partnership for Development. The Jamaican diaspora is made up of more than 3 million Jamaicans living mainly in the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. To engage these naturalized Jamaicans and their offspring, stakeholders organized a conference to provide information and get feedback. Business, trade and investment, as well as philanthropy, social investment, and diaspora policy were the main areas of focus for the conference. These were linked to the Vision 2030 Jamaica Plan, which provides a roadmap for the island to reach developed country status, becoming the place of choice to live, work, raise families, and do business. During the conference, several top-ranking government officials participated in sessions which touched on a number of issues, including the diaspora policy, the international migration and development policy, tourism, information and communication technologies, mega investment projects like the Jamaica Logistics Hub Initiative, creative industries, sport, agriculture, national security, venture capital and capital market investment, and the redevelopment of downtown Kingston. Participants were made intimately aware of the plans and investment opportunities.
There was a total of 240 meetings facilitated among 14 investors and 30 local projects. Out of that, 7 investors indicated that they were desirous of making equity investment in 17 projects and have requested additional information from these project owners.
Jamaica Promotions Corporation, JAMPRO, published investment opportunities in Jamaica so that persons could have first-hand knowledge and share the information with prospective investors.
We are resolutely committed to implementing the policies and programs necessary to facilitate increasing levels of inclusiveness and involvement to make Jamaica diaspora investments, business, and humanitarian activities seamless and successful.
There were a number of recommendations coming out of the Jamaica Diaspora Conference 2013.
The government should look towards modernizing the agricultural sector with new technologies to ensure greater efficiency in production.
Other recommendations included having diaspora members list their Jamaican companies on the main or junior market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Realistic recommendations will be put into action through the Diaspora Implementation Council, which includes representatives from different sectors.
What we're actually going to be doing is collapsing all the different elements under the rubric of the Diaspora Implementation Council to develop what we call an implementation process.
This implementation process will include the development of immediate, medium, and long-term plans. The healthcare and education sectors are already heavily supported by the diaspora, but the portfolio ministers used the opportunity of the conference to emphasize the need for continued support. They're also doing things to make the process easier. For example, the National Education Trust is to ramp up its operations to facilitate diaspora members.
You put together what you can with whatever encouragement and support and advice we can give you. And when you send it off, it's for us to make sure that it gets to Jamaica.
An equipment task force will help diaspora members streamline their contributions to the health sector.
Looking at standards and specification relative to what is it that we would accept as gift. We are reviewing the gift policy now also, so that all of us are on the same page.
About 132 health groups donate hospital equipment and conduct over 200 health missions in Jamaica every year. To keep in touch with members of the Jamaican diaspora, a database is to be established by 2014. Issues relating to immigration will also be addressed in the groundbreaking International Migration and Development Policy and the Diaspora Policy.
It is my distinct pleasure to declare the Diaspora Marketplace well and truly launched.
The marketplace was a new and improved feature of the 2013 staging of the Jamaica Diaspora Conference. In the marketplace, persons were able to interact with over 56 public and private sector companies, learn about their products, and complete business transactions. 10 government agencies were also on hand to offer expert services.
The marketplace is just out of this world. I mean, it's been a haven of information on the spot.
The resourcefulness. You can do anything here.
In fact, I was able to update my birth certificate while I was here.
Jamaica Diaspora Conference 2013 was not only about business. There was an amazing Jamaica night, showcasing the best of the island's food and entertainment industries. Internationally renowned actress and multi-award winner Sherry Lee Ralph provided side-splitting humor during a luncheon. And 3 persons also received the Governor-General's Diaspora Biennial Award of Excellence at a luncheon in their honor. The recipients were Howard Francis from the United Kingdom, Dudley Elias Morgan from Canada, and Vin Martin from the United States.
I think this is the best so far. Yes, I've been coming from the beginning. And this one is really, really excellent. Well organized, a lot of really useful information.
The information that the Minister of Finance gave us, and also the information on the stock exchange, you know, the Jumina stock and the other one.
What it enables me to do is to work with those individuals who are small in nature, with small finances, but still have ideas that they can build on to invest in Jamaica. It's good to see the ministers and speakers not running off. You know, they're here for each and they remain, they communicate with people, they are listening.
A lot of people from Diaspora are asking questions about our products and when we'll be ready to send our products to the States and to the UK and Canada. So it's all good. We'll make some contacts.
We have been able to interact with our customers to get feedback to see how we can improve our service, and we find that very, very important at Grace Kennedy.
The Jamaica Diaspora Conference 2013, a nation on a mission. Jamaica Diaspora Partnership for Development.